Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the JR Products Propane Hose. Like most of your propane hoses, this is designed to allow your LP gas to flow through so you can power up those propane-powered appliances. When you're looking for a propane hose, there are a few things that you want to focus in on to make sure that it's going to work for your application. The first thing is going to be the length. Obviously, you want it to be able to reach from point A to point B. This hose is 12 feet long, so as long as your point A and point B are less than 12 feet, you should be good. This is a rubber hose, so that rubber construction is going to help it resist kinks and cracking, anything like that, so it should hold up well for you, do a good job. It's got an internal diameter of 1/4 of an inch, which is pretty standard for most of these hoses. It's going to provide plenty of room for your LP gas to flow through so you can power up those appliances. The next thing you want to look for are your fittings. So there are several different kinds of fittings available for your propane hoses, so you want to find the ones that are going to work for you. We've got two different ones here. This one is a 3/8 inch female NPT end. So the 3/8 inch is obviously the diameter there. The female is just because this is the female side, it's going to receive, and the NPT is the threading on the inside there, just the style of threading. The other end we have is a 3/8 inch female swivel SAE fitting. So the swivel just means that it's going to turn like this, so we're not going to have to crank on the hose to get it tightened down. We can simply just move it like that to thread it in place, and that will be very easy for us. Again, 3/8 inch diameter. The SAE is your threads on the inside there. There are several different kinds of SAE ends. So if you look inside, you can see how it kind of tapers down towards the center. That's going to be our flare. So this is a 3/8 inch SAE flared fitting. And that flare is where the male end is going to butt up against. As we tighten this down, it's going to push those two ends together, make a nice tight fit. So we're not going to have to worry about gas leaks or anything like that. So you do want to make sure, if you're looking at this hose, that you have a 3/8 inch male NPT and a 3/8 inch male SAE flare that you need to hook up to. This hose is UL as well as CSA approved, so it's going to do a good job. It's going to meet those standards. You can trust that it's going to hold up well for you. Now, if this isn't the hose that you need, maybe it's too long, maybe it's not long enough, maybe you have different fittings there, I'd encourage you to check out our other options here at etrailer.com. We've got lots of different hoses, different diameters, lengths, different fittings. We want to make sure that you get the hose that you need so you can solve your problem and get back to enjoying your time outdoors. That's going to complete our look at the JR Products Propane Hose.